What if I told you the best way to protect your brand, new iPhone 17 Pro Max, isn't with some bulky, heavy-duty case that feels like a brick in your pocket? Instead, it's finding a case so thin and so light that it feels almost invisible, but still strong enough to give you total peace of mind. Let's be honest, we all spend a small fortune on these phones, and covering them up with something that ruins the sleek design just doesn't make sense. Today, we're diving into 5 of the top slim cases on Amazon that promise solid protection without the unnecessary bulk. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to see which one truly deserves your money. All the links are in the description so you can check them out yourself. Number 5, TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air. This isn't just a case, it's like the Swiss Army knife of phone accessories. The TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air combines military-grade drop protection with a super clever 360-degree rotating magnetic kickstand. That kickstand is what sets it apart. You can prop your phone up at almost any angle for video calls, binge watching, or even hands-free cooking tutorials. Plus, it plays perfectly with MagSafe accessories so you don't lose out on charging or attachment. Now, because of that built-in stand, it's not the thinnest case in this lineup, but the balance of protection, style, and functionality is hard to beat. If you want a slim case that adds way more usability than just protection, this one's a fantastic pick. Number 4, BENKS ArmorAir Case. If minimalism is your vibe, the BENKS Armor is basically perfection. Made from DuPont Kevlar, it's incredibly tough, but so light you'll forget it's even there. The case preserves that original iPhone 17 Pro Max feel, slim, premium, and comfortable in your hand. You won't get heavy-duty drop protection here, but you do get solid scratch and scuff resistance, along with a raised lip that keeps your camera lens from getting beat up. This case is for people who take good care of their phones, but still want that little buffer for everyday life. It's the kind of case that protects without ever hiding what makes the iPhone such a gorgeous device in the first place. Number 3, Pitaka Case. Speaking of minimal, Pitaka pushes thinness to the extreme. Crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, this case is feather-light and insanely slim. It feels almost like your phone is naked, but safer. The black and gray woven finish is both stylish and high-tech, making it look as premium as it feels. One standout feature is the P2Tap Pitaka camera control button, which makes using your camera feel smoother and more intuitive. That said, it does have its limits. The top and bottom edges are exposed, and it's not designed to save your phone from a dramatic drop. But for people who prioritize the caseless feel while still wanting scratch protection and a touch of flair, the Pitaka case is a work of art. Number 2, Mous Case. Mous has built its reputation on serious drop protection, and their iPhone 17 Pro Max case doesn't disappoint. It's slim enough to keep your phone pocket-friendly, but tough enough to take a beating thanks to its AeroShock MM technology. This case is made with genuine carbon fiber, which gives it a luxurious look and a firm, grippy feel in your hand. Unlike Pitaka or BENKS, Mous leans more toward durability. You can drop your phone without breaking a sweat. Yes, it's slightly thicker than the minimalist options, but that extra layer of confidence is worth it. For people who refuse to compromise between slim design and actual drop protection, Mous strikes the perfect middle ground. So let me ask you, what matters more to you? Do you prefer a super thin case that feels invisible, even if it means a little less drop protection? Or would you rather have a slightly thicker case that guarantees your phone survives a fall? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to see where you stand. Number 1, CASEKOO Cosmic Orange. Now the showstopper. The CASEKOO Cosmic Orange. This case doesn't just check the boxes, it smashes them. It's military-grade drop-tested, has a rock-solid MagSafe connection, and the color, absolutely stunning. But the real highlight is the hidden 360-degree kickstand, which is tucked seamlessly into the back of the case until you need it. Flip it out, and suddenly your phone stands tall in any direction. Perfect for Zoom calls, Netflix, or even FaceTime cooking sessions. Unlike bulkier stand cases, this one keeps everything sleek while delivering serious utility. It's stylish, protective, functional, and surprisingly affordable compared to similar premium cases. That's why it earns the top spot. It's the best all-around package. So which case takes the crown? While the Pitaka and BENKS are absolute gems for minimalists and Mous is unbeatable for protection lovers, the CASEKOO Cosmic Orange stands out as the ultimate all-rounder. It nails the balance between style, durability, and functionality without ever feeling bulky. That hidden kickstand is just the cherry on top. Thanks for watching. If this helped you pick your next iPhone 17 Pro Max case, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech reviews. And remember, all the links to these cases are in the description below. See you in the next one.